In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Icarus multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Playing Icarus on multiplayer is extremely simple. As long as you and your friends are all playing on the same platform, you will be able to invite each other. So to start, if you want to create a new character or a new prospect, so choose play, select new, and then go to the character selection or creation screen. Host a new prospect. Once you are done with the prospect selecting process, you will see this message: claim this prospect and host a session. Under lobby type, you can change the privacy type. I recommend setting it to friends only, and once you have the prospect created, your friend will have to join you. So one of you will be hosting the prospect and the other person will join. Whoever is going to be joining will choose this option instead. So instead of going over to new, they go to join. And in here, you should already be able to see each other. So under peer-to-peer servers, assuming that both of you are added onto each other's Steam friends list, you will be able to see the prospect being hosted and choose it here. If for whatever reason your friend cannot find it, whoever is hosting the prospect, I'm assuming you, can also press Shift plus Tab to see the Steam friends list and invite them directly. It doesn't matter. Either join the prospect by going over to join and then peer-to-peer servers, and it should appear on this list as long as it was set to friends only, or the host can directly invite whoever is going to join. So make the character, host the prospect, and then invite friends through the Steam friends list. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.